5 little ducks, and I'm a yellow-billed duck. You are going to listen to 2 readings. One is a story, and the other is a poem. I want you to listen for any patterns you may hear in them. 5 Little Ducks, illustrated by Penny Ives. 5 little ducks went out one day, over the hills and far away. Mother Duck called, "Quack, quack, quack, quack," but only 4 little ducks came back. 4 little ducks went out one day, over the hills and far away. Mother Duck called, "Quack, quack, quack, quack," but only 3 little ducks came back. 3 little ducks went out one day, over the hills and far away. Mother Duck called, "Quack, quack, quack, quack," but only 2 little ducks came back. 2 little ducks went out one day, over the hills and far away. Mother Duck called, "Quack, quack, quack, quack," but only 1 little duck came back. 1 little duck went out one day, over the hills and far away. Mother Duck called, "Quack, quack, quack, quack," but no little ducks came back. No little ducks went out one day, over the hills and far away. Mother Duck called, "Quack, quack, quack, quack," and 5 little ducks came wandering back. What are the patterns that we heard in this book? The same words repeat until the end. The numbers are the only words that change. The numbers count backwards. Every time the ducks go out, 1 less duck came back. Did you notice that? Mother Duck called them to come back with a loud voice. She wants them to hear her because she is worried about them. That's counting backwards from 5, 4, 3, 2, and then 1. And boy, did she ever quack to have them come back. Sometimes patterns help us read. If you have time, reread this story. I bet you will be able to read it by yourself. Now let's listen to this poem, "I'm a Yellow-billed Duck." Try to hear if there is a pattern or anything else. I'm a yellow-billed duck. I'm a yellow-billed duck with a black feather back. I waddle, 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 and I quack, quack, quack. I dabble for my dinner with a swish, 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 and I gobble, 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 all I wish, wish, wish. What did you hear in this poem that could help you read? Yep, the words repeat in each line. Waddle, waddle, waddle. The words are what the duck is doing. Waddle, quack, dabble, swish, gobble, and wish. And the words rhyme. They sound the same. back, quack, swish, wish. Repetition, like rhyme, makes poems fun to read and to hear. Happy reading, friends. Bye-bye.